Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0, a unique and portable fire pit that stands out from the crowd. If you're looking for a convenient and smoke-reducing option, this might be the one for you. Let's dive in and explore its features. The Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 is a portable stainless steel fire pit, designed to be lightweight and easy to use. Unlike traditional fire pits that demand a permanent space, the Bonfire 2.0 is perfect for those who want flexibility and portability. Setting up the Bonfire 2.0 is a breeze, and the components fit together easily. The fire pit comes with an edge ring for directing airflow, a stand for stability, a fire grate for burning wood, and a removable ash pan for easy cleanup. The double skin of stainless steel ensures durability without the rusting issues of other fire pits. One of the Bonfire 2.0's key features is its ability to emit minimal smoke. The strategically placed holes around the base and top edge allow for clean, cool air to be pulled in and ejected above the flames, promoting secondary combustion to reduce smoke output. Visually, the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 has an industrial design, which might not appeal to everyone's taste. However, it starts to develop rainbow hues after a few fires, adding a unique touch. The fire pit is lightweight and emits a bucket load of heat, making it a delightful choice for gatherings and outdoor entertainment. While the Bonfire 2.0 excels at reducing smoke, there are times when it may produce more smoke if the fire isn't hot enough. This might not be suitable for super urban environments with sensitive neighbors. Cleanup is relatively easy, thanks to the included ash pan, but some debris might accumulate around the edges, requiring occasional inversion for thorough cleaning. The Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 comes at a price of around $375 for the base model. While it might be more expensive than other fire pits, its precision-made construction and unique features justify the cost. Solo Stove also offers a range of accessories to enhance your experience further. In conclusion, the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 is a fantastic fire pit for those seeking portability, reduced smoke, and easy setup. Whether you want a versatile option for your outdoor space or a unique addition to your garden, this fire pit won't disappoint. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the latest outdoor products. Happy burning!